My name is Nicholas Doyle. My friends call me Nicky. I'm Irish. I'm also a dual citizen of Australia. I'm the General Manager and Director for ANCA Manufacturing Solutions based in Rayong in Thailand. So ANCA Manufacturing Solutions, as the name would suggest, we're a manufacturing solutions provider. So we originally started as doing sheet metal work, but now we've broadened our horizons more into offering more value to our customers. So we source a lot of components throughout Asia and use those components to form larger assemblies. So we're doing mechatronics, so mechanical and electronic and electrical assemblies. And depending on what the customer requires, we try to offer a full solution to the customer. Everything from design, so we do design in-house for our customers, through to nesting that material on the sheet, laser cutting, folding, welding, painting, powder coating for a lot of customers too, and then straight through to assembly and sourcing within Asia. So we do all of our assembly in-house as well as testing. For some of our customers we also offer vendor managed inventory, so VMI, where we will hold inventory on site for some of our customers, and as they receive orders online we will distribute those products throughout Asia and globally for some of the other customers as well. Yeah, look, we've been at SUBCON a number of times now. The reason we tend to go to SUBCON, we are a company that seeks a lot of potential suppliers. So we visit SUBCON ourselves to look for alternative suppliers for our supply chain, and this is a very good avenue to find that. And we find that a lot of our customers come to SUBCON so that we can get in touch with our customers, so they will find us through SUBCON, and some of our existing partners that we work with have found us through SUBCON. So it's a very good networking event. It's a really good event to get our name out there into the market, and I do like going to these trade shows just to see the competition in some regards, but also to look for alternative suppliers to bolster our supply chain and improve that value that we offer to our customers. And I think the last year we were there, we had some really good traction in growing our following online, and it's been very beneficial for us to go to SUBCON last year and again this year as well.